So we've had these sheets for probably about 3 weeks now, and I have washed them probably 4 times. I really love these. They feel so soft to the touch. And whoever said that you have to spend a lot of money on sheets to get some comfortable ones, I don't know where they're shopping, but I love these. Like I said, they are so soft. They're comfortable. They're smooth. They're not, they don't have any of that itchiness to them. My set came with 4 pillowcases. I have a king size bed, and of course I don't have a king size pillow because these are the ones we like. But if you see here, it has the little special embroidering on here with the little thread, gives it a little spiciness to it. The fitted sheet comes with a top bottom label on it, so you know that's either the top or the bottom, which is kind of nice because you don't have to keep switching them around. I would definitely get more of these. I actually have a set in blue also. And if these wear out or anything, I would definitely get these. I think that they're very comfortable. You can sleep well in them. You get in bed and it's kind of chilly, and then it warms up as your body temperature warms them up. But they're just comfortable. They almost feel a little satiny to me, but they're not satin. But I would highly recommend these for anyone who's looking for some sheets and want some that are comfortable and feel great and look wonderful. They come in so many colors, so definitely check these out.
So we just got these sheets from CGK Unlimited. They're nice and soft, and it comes with a top sheet, a bottom sheet, and 4 pillowcases. And the pillowcases have the nice decorative edge on them, and then the envelope style closure there and stuff. But really nice. And what I really like is on the fitted sheet underneath here, it had a little tag that said top or bottom, so that I didn't have to rotate them around. Here's the little tag, top or bottom. So this either goes across your bottom width or your top width up there, and it's not the long sides. And so really it makes it much easier to put it on. And then of course for your flat sheet, you have the decorative little edge there where it's got like the 3-inch or 4-inch or whatever little decorative edge there. But really nice. This is the CGK Unlimited polyester sheets. But yeah, they sent these just so we could show them to you, and look at how nice they are. They came with 4 pillowcases. There's the extra pillowcases, and we put one on so far. But yeah, nice stuff, and they're really nice and soft, so those are going to be really good. Thank you so much.